It all begins when I get a phone call from a man that says he would like to book an appointment for his mom and that she is hard of hearing. He wants to know if he can sit beside her so that he can make sure that she's hearing what I'm channeling for her. And then he said, I'm here to speak to my wife. And he says, I have a ton of apologies. He goes, I need to explain behavior. We were married, Karen, for over 5 decades. Karen, can we get right into it now? He says, I would like to say I'm sorry to my wife. And he says, my very first apology to her is that right after we got married, he said, right after we got married, like by the time we got home from the honeymoon, I was a totally different man.
You could be listening right now. Coffee with the Sarlos airs early for our patrons on patreon.com/the Sarlos.